day of my life, and so do most of the folks here at QVC. And so many of you do as well because you write me and tell me about it. Dawn, we want to thank you. I know it's almost bedtime where you are, so sleep well, my friend.
Oh, thank you so much, David. Be well.
Always good to see you. Bye-bye now. And Dawn's in London, which is why it's almost bedtime for her. All right, now we're going to wrap up here, but we're going to move right into a great item from Temp-tations, and I'm going to make my way around. And I believe this was clearance pricing, is it not? All right, what we're talking about is the ultimate specialty nesting serving set. Are there occasions coming up where you're going to need to serve a lot of food? Mm-hmm. Thanksgiving right around the corner. Why do you think my theme this month is gobble, 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 gobble? So we've got Thanksgiving, we've got Christmas, we've got Hanukkah, we've got all the different celebrations. This is why you want to make sure you've got the specialty serving set. Now, we're not going to waste any time. We're going to get right in with Tara Tesher so she can walk us through the set, tell us all about it. She's joining us live via Skype from her home kitchen. So in case you're ever wondering what Tara's kitchen looks like, well, there she is.
Here it is.
Right in the middle of it. Hey, T, this is a remarkable set. The value here at retail comparable would be $110. We're $45.02 less, and with free ship, $52.52 less. This is amazing.
Yeah, it's great. And if you would be my hands, David, I would love to walk everybody through.
Where do you want to start?
Exactly what's included. Why don't we start with the little guys?
Okay.
So when we're so these are our pedestal ramekins. So a 4, a 6, and an 8-inch. And what I love about that, or ounce, excuse me, 6 and 8 ounce. What I love is not only do they all nest down, but they're perfect for like your little compote butter if you want. They're perfect for some of your cranberry sauce. So all of the little kind of sides that you have that you never know what to put them in. So those 3, they nest down inside each other and they come with the snap-on storage covers. Then let's move back to the key pieces that are in the set. And we'll start with that vegetable bowl, 2.5 quart. Beautiful. You can pop that lid off, David, if you wouldn't mind. Thank you. It has a gorgeous scallop detail that runs all the way around the edges. If you're picking up floral lace, you'll notice the beading. If you're picking up old world, you'll notice the rope detail. Absolutely stunning. We don't do very many vegetable bowls. Then take a peek at this. This is our 14-inch low profile elongated server. Think asparagus. Think of those beautiful tarts that you love to make that time. That piece is exceptional. Then we gave you 2 different platters. We gave you a large and a medium. So the medium is going to be 16 inches. And notice that that has a rectangular shape. So we call this kind of mixing and matching all of the shapes together. And then that largest one that David has underneath there, the mumbo jumbo one, that's our 18-inch. That will hold a 25-pound turkey if you were doing that. Or if you were slicing turkey breast and maybe putting it on top of stuffing, that would be gorgeous because you could tuck all of your vegetables around it as well if you're paring down the size of the turkey you're going to be serving this year. Love this set. Every piece you could possibly need.
And Tara, since we debuted this at clearance pricing, we've sold over 9,000 sets. Now, here's what's left. And guys, if we can shoot from the profile, perfect. And what I'll do to make this easy is I'll go across this way and then go down on the lower ledge and come back, okay? So we're going to start here with floral lace. This is floral lace in the light blue. 300 left. In the green, 300. In the red, 750. In the cranberry, 300. In the eggplant, 300. And Tara, say it with me. 1, 2, 3, downbeat. Chocolate. Okay, we did well. 200 left in the chocolate. Then the spice at 400, and then the black. 1 dozen. Now, come 1 dozen in the black floral lace.
And that is it.
And that is it. Retiring. Will not be back. In the old world, we're more limited. Blue, 3 dozen. Confetti, 2 dozen. Oh, my word. Wow. Green, 400. Red, 150. Boogie on over to the cranberry, 300. Then the eggplant, 130. The brown, 200. The spice, 220. And the black, 150. And we just sold out of black floral lace. I'm just going to put them on this table over here. It'll be easier. Confetti and Old World just sold out.
Wow.
All right.
This is these are great pieces. Everyone can use.
This is going to be one of those days where I am racing, and that's okay. I wore my rubber sole shoes today, so I'm good. But we just got super busy. And I want to remind everybody, you're only seeing 3 of the ramekins on the lower shelf because we couldn't put all these colors out in the whole set. We just didn't have enough table space, right? So you're getting the 3 small pedestal bowls. This is 3, 6, and 8 ounce.
Can I just correct you? 4, 6, and 8. Sorry.
I beg your pardon. Thank you. 4, 6, and 8. Thank you.
Yeah.
And then what's the size on the veggie bowl?
2.5 quart veggie bowl.
2.5 quarts. Thank you. Then this
14-inch elongated server.
Perfect.
16-inch rectangular serving platter.
Got it.
And then 18-inch serving platter. Everything will nest down, as you're seeing David do right now. Everything is designed to stack inside each other. And even if you were to take the plastic lids off of those guys, they'll all nest down inside, or David will stack them, which I love. Thank you.
However you want to do it.
How we use it on the table, whether you're using it for your acorn squash, and maybe you've stuffed it with, of course, some of that beautiful stuffing. Maybe you have a large turkey. Maybe you have some of the hams. All of the different things, yes, of course, designed for the holiday, but these are your everyday essential pieces that you'll wind up using.
We just sold out of another color, Tara.
Oh,
Blue
boy.
Old World is now gone. Oh, blue floral lace is, oh, that's the one that we're breaking apart in. Do we have another, what you get? We'll get that one. Let me, you know what, I'll just put it up here on the table. It'll be easier, be socially
This is
distanced
fun.
that way.
I'm just hanging in my kitchen watching you run all over the place.
Oh, my
Sorry.
word.
Can't help you.
You are saving $52 with this set. We've gone to go get another what you get. So hang in there with us. Let me update you on colors. 9,500 now sold at this price. It's being retired, will not be back. Anything that sells out is gone for good. Wave a sad, tearful goodbye. Here is your light blue and floral lace. $250. Green, $300. Red, $700. Cranberry, $200. Eggplant, $250. Chocolate, $210. And spice, $400. Now in the Old World green, $350 in the red, $130 in the cranberry, $250 in the eggplant, $120 in the brown, $180 in the spice, $200 in the black Old World. $100 now left to go around. Tara, everyone's saving $52.52 at this clearance price today. An amazing buy. Oh, and did I mention the free shipping? Free shipping and handling. Free shipping. So
you know
really,
how heavy this set is, right? When you have all these pieces of stoneware in there, that's an incredible story. And there's everything down, which I love. So your 18-inch, your 16-inch, 14-inch elongated baker, your 2.5 quart veggie bowl, and then those ramekins. The pedestal ramekins are always super popular. Everything comes with a snap-on storage cover, and it's our great stoneware. So all of these still go in the oven, the microwave, the fridge, the freezer, and of course the dishwasher. We want to clean it.
there it is. Beautiful.
Perfect.
And then you can put them up here for more storage. All pedestal bowls. This is very, very busy. Oh, I'm reaching down here on the table, but